This is what the saw is looking like. She's needing to be cleaned. Now I take this off. Oof. Look at how beautiful that is inside though. Bro. Oh, this is what this looked like. It's a MaxFlow system. So I'm gonna blow it away from the saw. You know, I mean, this thing doesn't have to be perfect. It's just gonna get dirty all over again. Hey, this is Todd with Bible and a Chainsaw. I'll be using this air filter spray, this PJ1 stuff. It's supposed to help clean this crap off of there, okay? This is the stuff that timber fallers use. This isn't like the filter that you get from the store. Those are a joke. I don't like them. Maybe some guys might. I don't. Look how that takes that off, man. This stuff's crazy. Buy this stuff on like Amazon. Look how that's cleaning that off. And it's taking the old oil out. You have to pre-oil these. The oil helps keep that carburetor clean, okay? And so your saw can run to max flow. Here's some waterless cleaning wipes. Clean saw is going to operate a lot better than a dirty one, let me tell you. It works hard for you, might as well work hard for it. Okay, so I filled the bucket full of Dawn Dish soap and some warm water. I'm just going to put both these in there and swirl them around, get the oil, get all the crap off of them. I don't have the hose hooked up yet because it's still sometimes freezing at night, so I don't know if you guys can see or not. It's almost looking brand new. This one too. Look at that. Huh? And you don't have to clean your filter after every single fill up of gas. You can just fill the saw full of gas and keep going. This originally was white. But the oil that I put on it's red. Okay? Same as on this one. So still it has a little red tint to it, but look at that. Set these out somewhere where they're not going to get dirty. Let them dry overnight. Alrighty, see how this thing looks? We're going to use this one, the green one. I'm using this PJ1 foam filter oil treatment spray. This is like a light oil, okay? So I just start spraying it. Okay, you want to get the whole inside. You know, and the reason why I do this is because I don't have to really worry about cleaning so much with this. And you can go several tanks and just keep going for days. I'm gonna ball it up and I'm gonna squeeze. Just trying to get this thing as saturated as I can. Let's see if she'll... Oh yeah, see that? That means she's ready to rock. And the oil comes out. Oh, I cleaned all this out. I didn't really have that on my other video. Just pretty simple. Okay, this thing is the middle part that goes inside of this guy. Okay. This part's kind of a hassle, so that's why I sped it up. And you see how clean that is now. Remember how dirty that was? Look at this. That's how it goes on there, guys. Can be rather... Seems that I found it.